Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is very simple but so delicious and nutritious. It's cabbage. Look at it, it looks really nice and tastes really good. You take your head of cabbage, you wash it good with water, then you cut it in two halves and after into 4 quarters. The head of cabbage was looking very small and nice. It's green, it's not all white and hard pieces. Then I chop it like that. And now the size, however you like it. Need only a sharp knife and you cut all your cabbage like that. I will do the same thing for the other pieces. But when you get into the end, into the hard core or part, you take it off because you will not cook at the same time like the leaves. You take it off, you don't use it. I see the white piece, and whenever you see any hard parts, you take them off. Keep only the nice soft pieces like that. All your cabbage cook evenly. I take a pot where I cook my cabbage, enough for my cabbage. I put some olive oil there and chopped some onion. Some people like onions, some not. I prefer, the onions with my cabbage. I brown them like that to get all the good flavor, like caramelize your onions. Then I add the cabbage. It looks a lot of cabbage here, but when you cook them. Okay, I put all my cabbage right there. And I will cover it for a little bit until that it start going down a little bit, cook down. But before that I cover it, I will season it. I put some black pepper and of course some salt to taste. And don't forget that I have olive oil and some onions in the bottom. Also garlic. You can use garlic powder or you can use fresh garlic. Whatever you prefer and whatever you have home. Then you cover it in medium heat and leave it in the cook down. Also here I add a little bit of vegetable stock or vegetable broth. You can add like a half cup or third cup of water, not that much. You can add water or vegetable stock, but not that much, only a little bit, because the cabbage will get water like that. And from time to time you stir it. It's almost done right now. It's almost done. I cover it again. Then toward the end, when it's almost done, I add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. It's the same way how I do my greens. The greens, I add some apple cider vinegar. The same thing for the cabbage. I add some apple cider vinegar. Not too much, only a little bit. It takes only a few minutes and the cabbage is ready. And depend how tender you like it. If you like it brown or still crispy, And my cabbage is done. I like it like that. It gets some color. It's very easy, delicious, and nutritious. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in a new recipe, and enjoy.